Hello and welcome to this advanced Ho'oponopono prayer practice specifically crafted for getting healthy and radiant skin. So, find yourself a quiet and comfortable place where you can focus without any distraction. Close your eyes and take few deep breaths to center yourself and prepare for the manifestation process. So, breathe in and breathe out. Focus upon your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Now breathe out. Now let's set a clear intention. Say, I acknowledge my intention to heal and nourish my skin, allowing it to radiate health and vitality. I take full responsibility of my relationship with my skin. We both are one energy. Now say, I'm sorry for any of my past mistreatment or neglect of my skin. I'm sorry for feeling ashamed and embarrassed about my pimples and my skin breakouts. I apologize to my skin for neglecting its care and well-being. I regret using harsh chemicals that have caused damage and irritation. Forgive me, my skin, for not shielding you from harmful effects of sun. I seek forgiveness for allowing stress to accelerate the aging process. I apologize for not prioritizing a healthy diet and adequate sleep, which affects my health and my appearance. I have many limiting beliefs, such as my skin defines my worth, aging is associated with loss of beauty, only expensive skincare products can make me beautiful, comparing my skins to other and feeling inadequate, believing that skin problems are permanent or incurable. Please forgive me for having such negative beliefs about my own skin. But now, I release all the negative energies associated with my skin and I embrace it with lot of love and acceptance. I am grateful for my skin and its role in keeping me healthy and protected. I really appreciate its beauty and resilience. Thank you, my skin, as you allow me to feel sensations, temperature, and pain, enhancing my experience and interaction with the world. I appreciate my skin's remarkable abilities to heal wounds and injuries. I love you, my healthy skin, as you enhance my appearance, boosting my confidence. I love you so much, my skin, as your color, texture, and feature contributes to my unique identity. Love is the best anti-aging treatment, and I love you a lot, my skin. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Now, let's visualize a flawless skin. So, focus your attention on your skin. Picture a gentle, warm light enveloping your skin, penetrating deep into its layers. As this healing light spreads, envision any blemishes, scars, or imperfections gradually fading away, leaving behind a smooth and flawless surface. feel the warmth of the light as it soothes and nourishes your skin, promoting cellular regeneration and the repair. Imagine your skin becoming rejuvenated and revitalized, infused with a radiant glow that emanates from within. As you continue to visualize, embrace the sensation of your skin being restored to its optimal state of health and vitality. Picture yourself feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin, exuding beauty and radiance wherever you go. So, allow yourself to bask in this healing light. Soak into the positive energy and its rejuvenating effects. With each breath, affirm your intention for vibrant and healthy skin is a reality. So say, my skin is healthy, vibrant and radiant. I deserve to have clear and beautiful skin. I nourish my skin with love and care, and now I feel the sense of peace and contentment. Continue to practice this Ho'oponopono prayer meditation regularly to nurture and enhance the health and radiance of your skin. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Please show your support by liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Your support means the world to me. Thank you.